In this video I'm going to show you how to replace the ink cartridges of your Canon Pixma TR8660 printer. Now the first thing is to switch on the printer and open the ink cartridge chamber door. So place your hand here and lift it from one side. Wait for the ink cartridges to move and come in this place. To take them out, there is a lock here to press it and take the ink cartridge out. Do it for all 5 ink cartridges. Now place them back. Now take new ink cartridges out of the packaging. Make sure you remove the seal and also the seal from this side. The chip will face downwards and in the front. So slide it in and press it down. You will hear a lock sound, that means it is installed properly. So do it for all the 5 ink cartridges. It's easy and it takes only a couple of minutes. Now press the door down and it will lock itself. Now we are ready to use the printer. Thanks for watching.